What's up, guys? Today we're gonna install a new steering wheel, my C300. Let's do it. Alright, so as you can see, this is the stock steering wheel. What I've noticed with these C300s is the sun does a lot of damage to it. You can see the cracking right here. It's actually all the way across the top. And then this silver trim piece right here actually starting to peel really bad. The same with this little button, hard to see. The button's starting to do it too. So we're gonna change it out with new Revotech awesome carbon fiber C63 AMG style steering wheel. Let's do it. Alright, so since this has to do with the airbag system in the car, we want to make sure 100% there's no way to come off. So we're going to unhook the battery for 30 minutes. Alright, so once you pop the hood, you're going to have to remove this box right here. It comes off by removing this clip right here, one more clip right here, and then this weird little center clip, which is right here. There we go. And then you gotta kind of finagle it out. I'm just gonna set it here on my engine cover, and you'll have access to your battery. You'll need to use a 10mm right here. I've already undone it, and then literally pull it up. Typically, what I like to do is use a microfiber towel and put it underneath just to make sure it doesn't make contact, and literally wait for 30 minutes. So while we're waiting for the battery, I wanted to show you the easy way to remove your airbag from these wheels. So this is the replacement wheel. You can see right here that little divot. So what you're gonna do is stick a screwdriver or a small screwdriver in there. It'll open up and actually move these silver pins on each side, and that will literally just let your airbag come out. Pretty easy. The center screw, which would be right there, I believe it's a Torx. I'll get you the exact size here in a second, but yeah, super easy mod to do. Like I said, this is a Revotech steering wheel, and man, in the sun, this carbon is awesome. I can't, and the suede side with the red stitching, it's so good, so good. All right, 30 minutes has elapsed. Battery is still disconnected. So let's get out this bad boy. So as you'll see in the back, let's get it. See that little dimple? Hopefully this works. We're using little Torx. Yeah, it looked like it popped out that side. Let's see. There we go. That comes out. All right, so we're gonna undo that yellow connector right there, dead center, and go from there. trying to use like panel pullers to get this thing out. You try actual needle noses. Needle noses. That's what you need to get this out. All right. Next clip, we have a brown one. Looks exactly the same. Came right out, no problems. All right, so the next one we got to get out after we've gotten out this brown connector, we got to get out this Torx right here. I'll get you the size in a second. Then the big mamma jamma straight from the center. Okay, so we got what we need. So this is you'll need this. It's a T20. And then it looks like the big Allen is a 3/8 Allen. No, yeah, 3/8 Allen, big one. We'll give him a shot right now. Oh yeah. That one's disconnected. Now for the big one. Let's see how it goes. Well, I finally got it undone with this huge one. So it takes a lot to actually get it out. So note to self, use big tools. Okay, that's the bolt. Now, before you take it out all the way, I'm gonna show you a little secret to removing steering wheels. Go ahead and put back in the screw. Do it a couple threads, you know, to where it's in there really good. Then pull on the steering wheel so you don't hit yourself in the face. Yep, loose, we're good. Sometimes they're on there really good. Usually older vehicles take a lot more force to get off. Now, before we take it off all the way, I'll show you guys something. So as you guys can see, there's a line on the actual shaft of the steering wheel and a line at the top of the steering wheel to make sure you have it straight when you put it back on. If you don't, your wheel's gonna be crooked. All right, and we're off. All right, so it's time for the new steering wheel. We got the awesome Revotech carbon fiber wheel. So make sure to line up those slots just enough to make it perfect. Set it on there. Now for reassembly. we got this connector in. Now we'll put in this one. This is hard to do with the camera. Just saying. That one's good. Now we can insert the airbag. Take your airbag, take the little connector, slide it in, hear that click? Now we reinsert the airbag. And it should just snap back in place. Make sure wires are kind of out of the way. Oh, that's all it took. And I believe that's in. Well, that's it, guys. It's all installed. Put back my battery. I didn't have any faults or anything. Some Mercedes guys says they have faults when they disconnect the negative terminal. Everything works, power, everything. So if you guys have a different experience, let me know. But that's it. That's a Revotech steering wheel install. I'm stoked on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.